Welcome guys, in this video I am with the VIVO Y35 and I'm going to show you how far you can zoom with this phone. Okay, so when you wonder about the maximum zoom range, let's take a look. As you can see, the 10x adds the maximum zoom on this phone, and that's the quality of the zoom, and it's actually not bad. You can spot, for example, the scratches on my camera on the Huawei P30 Pro. It looks stable and it looks sharp. Honestly, it looks good for me. You can take a photo with it and just take a look at the quality. Okay, right here, after taking the photo, it looks not that good, but still not bad. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.